Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone video sound not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check important audio settings. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap Sounds and Haptics. Enable change with buttons, then make sure to turn the volume up to the maximum level using the volume buttons. Solution 2. Adjust audio accessibility settings. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap Accessibility. Scroll down again and tap Audio and Visual. Turn on Mono Audio. Then scroll down and make sure the audio balance slider is set exactly in the middle. Solution 3. Offload apps that have no sound. If apps like YouTube, Apple Music, Spotify, or similar apps are not playing sound, open Settings, tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Find the app that's causing the issue, tap on it, and select Offload App. Tap Offload App again to confirm, then tap Reinstall App. After reinstalling, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will not erase your data, but it will reset settings such as Wi-Fi passwords, wallpaper, and system preferences. Once your iPhone restarts, check if the sound is working. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the video sound not working issue on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.